So we're back at this again. Previous repair failed. I think that end of it that I used the heat gun on is what let loose, judging by where the puddle is underneath the truck. So this sucks, but we're gonna fix it right this time. I bought this nice little kit. It comes with a tool for putting these lines together and stuff. So I'm gonna replace, I think, both of those lines that come off the tank, all the way up to their next connector, and then it hopefully won't be anything to worry about in the future. So let's get started. There she is again. An adapter made for fuel tanks. My Harbor Freight transition jack. We'll put this together real quick and we'll get that tank dropped out of the truck. This up against the fuel tank. Center it. And now you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free. At ZipRecruiter.com/offer. That's ZipRecruiter.com/offer. Welcome to Virtual What did I say it was last time? Like 15mm nut and like 13mm bolt head? Something like that. 15mm on the bottom. 13mm on top. I guess there's a perk to doing this every couple of weeks. I'm not salty. No, it wasn't a good job on my part when I did it, otherwise it went to failed, so. Go ahead and take these hangers loose. I'll take the filler neck loose on the other side and we'll start lowering that tank down. Tell you what, that came off much easier than it did first time around. If you're interested in seeing all these steps in detail, you can watch my previous video. Alright. Clamps loose from the filler neck. Go ahead and blow this guy down a little bit, nice and slow. It actually looks like one of the fuel lines failed over here this time. Not around my repair. So I don't know if it's a good thing or not. Probably go ahead and set you up and then go cycle the key. That's a different spot. Yep. Yep. No, not really. Alright, so I got these sections of line out of the truck, and the leak is right here somewhere, as you can see in that video, but I can't tell which line is actually leaking. But I'm just going to replace all of both of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to remake these pieces using this Dorman 801-600 nylon fuel line repair kit. Hopefully it's got everything in there I need. I think it will. I think these are 3/8 and a 5/16 line. This is the repair I did last time. As you can see here, I didn't get fully seated on the barb. I got 2 out of the 3. That's the best I could get it at the time underneath the truck, using the heat gun to heat this line up. Looks like this worked. It's just this other line failed. And I don't know which is which. Which one's the pressure line? Which one's the return line? If you know, comment below. I'm sure I could look that up, but I haven't done it yet. So let's go ahead and remake these pieces. Alright, let's go ahead and open this kit up. I'm going to need, looks like I'm going to need 2 straight fittings, 1 3/8 and 1 5/16, and then 2 90 fittings, which is these blue guys right here, like that. It's nice, it gives you the replacement part number. This is a, I think they call it a tech box or something like that. Looked like a pretty nice kit. Alright, and let's get a 3/8 straight, which would be the red one right here. One of those takes care of that end there. Make sure that looks correct. And 3/8 and a 5/16. So these are just couplings here. Must be in the next box. We got our hose, cutters. Looks like we got 3/8 90s, 5/16 90s. Grab one of each. More parts there, and you can see there comes with cool stuff. Really looks like a nice kit. I don't know if it makes sense for everybody to buy it, but if you like working on your own stuff, I think this would be a pretty handy kit to have. Alright, let's try to get this stuff put together. Okay, so we're going to do this 3/8 90-degree elbow first. This is a really cool kit. So I'm going to take this adapter for the 90-degree elbow. You can see I got the instructions laid out there. Set this guy on here. Take this piece here. Set your fitting on your little block adapter for your clamp. Set that on there like so. Then take your, we're going to call it T-bolt. Snug this guy up. I'm gonna go pretty snug. Pretty snug. Now you can see this has got a barb and looks like a little O-ring on that barb fitting. I've already clamped the tubing into the tool. It comes with these 2 blocks, and you use these T-bolts to tighten it up. Choose the correct slot for your tubing size. You just take this guy, slide it on there like so. Sure that's all the way bottomed out. Okay. This had to leave about a 1/4 inch of stick out here. So what we did, go ahead and tighten it up. Reminds you of those little speedy wood clamps. Make sure it starts on there. Looks like it's going. Bottomed out on this tool, this plate that holds this in place. It bottomed out here, and you can kind of see it bottomed out right at the block here. Maybe you can see that. Lighting's not the best. Just with the garage door open, I probably should have set up some shop lights, but yeah. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, comment below. I'm going to take this loose first. There we go. Let's give it a little twist and pull it up off of there. Then I can loosen it all the way up. Loosen these T-bolts. Okay, that is the fitting. That's the connection we just made. This is at 3/8 90. This will be right off the fuel pump. So now I'm going to take this, figure out what length I need. We're just going to leave it how it is. And I'll put a straight fitting on the other end, and then this line will be done. Let me get that one set up. I'll show you how it works with the straight fitting, and then we'll do the smaller line. Alright, now we're going to switch over to the straight fitting. You're going to need this guy right here. And we're going to do the 3/8 one first. So let's hit this fitting right here. So you're just going to take this, slip on your fitting onto it, and then you can see that, hopefully. The light's good enough. Slide that all the way down. And then go ahead and start pressing it in here. And I kind of guide it because the tubing obviously wants to, you probably can't see anything I'm doing. I guide it a little bit to get it started. Because that tubing has a little natural bend to it. There we go. Now that it's started in there, let's go ahead and press it into place. This is an awesome tool. I would say if you ever need to buy those little Dorman help short pieces, patch lines basically. I mean, it's probably about $100 more if you order this on Amazon, but order this and then you have it. Anytime you need to make a line or repair, you can use this thing. Because that was just super slick, as you can tell. Take this one off, and I'll go ahead and put the straight fitting onto my 5/16 line now. There we go. Make sure you have a nice clean cut, too. I'll be honest, the cutter that comes with this toolkit is not the best. It's really not the sharpest cutter. You can really buy any hose cutter of decent quality. Okay, we're seated all the way.